So what is up, guys? Nick here, helping you to master your technology. Welcome to my how to use app library tutorial. Now, for those of you seasoned iOS users, this is going to be not very useful, but for those of you who are just getting on iOS 14, you're like, how do I use this thing? We did the widgets tutorial the other day. You could check that out. Let's get on to the app library. So the app library is all the way to the rightmost screen at the end of your home pages over here. And you could see that it kind of intelligently organizes applications. Now, the first thing you want to know is that if you want to get all the way over here to this, there's a faster way to do it. You can go ahead and just hold on these dots right here and just go like that really quickly, and then you could swipe over easily to the app library. Else you're going to be like, where's that app? I'm just going to go to the app library. You're going to be swiping all day. The next thing that you got to know is that once you swipe over, if you want to see the other applications, you have to change your action from a swipe over to a swipe up. As you can see like this, it's not going to be another swipe to the right to get to the pages. It just ends there. So you're going to have to swipe vertically this way to go ahead and get down and see the different applications. Now, the next thing to know about the app library here is that you can go ahead and tap and see how Apple has organized your applications. Unfortunately, you cannot move these around. So I think we're going to see this in a future update, but right now you're not able to move them around in the app library. So if you go over here to the app library, you're going to see that even when you put it on the home screen though, it still stays over here within those folders. So keep that in mind with the app library. If I go ahead and pull Canva out of creativity over here, put it on the home screen, you can see that it's still going to show within the creativity folder. So there's kind of two places for it. At the same time, if you are having trouble with, the home screen just being too cluttered, you don't want to deal with it today. Check this out. You can go ahead and hold down anywhere on the home screen, tap these dots right here, and then go ahead and just hide the pages away. Let's go ahead and tap that again. Hide these little pages away, the little check marks down here. Hit done. And then instead of having all those pages, you can just have one page of your favorite applications. Swipe over to the app library for clean organization. Now, if you want to get those pages back, just do the same action and go ahead and hit the check marks on the applications are on the pages right there. Now, if we scroll all the way back over to the app library, the next thing you need to know is that there's a list view that you can get to by just tapping app library here. On the side, you can see it's alphabetically organized. So what you're going to do is you're going to be able to swipe through. And this is one of my favorite features. Finally, we see lists in iOS 14. You can go ahead and swipe through alphabetically. That's pretty intuitive. Now you can go ahead and just type up here, just like you would expect, YouTube, for example, and go ahead and get to the application. Now, the last thing I want to mention, or one of the last things, is that if we go over here to settings, if you type in home screen, or you could just scroll to it, the home screen settings, when you install new applications, you can set it to go only to the app library or add to the home screen. You can also do notification badges on and off within the app library. All those little red circles that say 1-500. I don't know how many messages you have, but you know what I mean. You can turn that on and off. Particularly, I like it going to the app library because then every time you download an application, it's not populating the home screen, making more of a mess on your home screen. And so that's it with the app library. This is going to be a very big change. It's the second biggest change to the way you're going to use iOS. And again, remember that you cannot change the name of these folders right now. So if you're thinking this is Android, or you think, oh, let me just change the folder name, I'm going to organize it myself. No, not in iOS. Apple's going to tell you how this is going to be organized. That's how they're doing it here. And you're just going to have to deal with that. Unfortunately, too, if you're wondering, Nick, how do I turn it off? I don't want to use it at all. You cannot turn app library off right now. So hopefully down the line, that's an optional feature. Just like we see in some Android phones, the ability to turn off the app drawer or have it on, just have home screens. We'll see down the line, but right now you cannot turn it off. So that's it for me on how to use the app library. Let me know your thoughts on the app library. Do you like this new feature? Do you not like it? Are you still having trouble? Leave your comments down below. If you found this video helpful, entertaining, informing, do me a favor, click the like button for me and subscribe for more. Nick here, helping you to master your technology. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to be well, and peace.